Physicists currently model astrophysical black holes inside laboratory water tanks. By creating precise physical vortices, they observe extreme gravitational mechanics right here on Earth. This diagram illustrates the mechanism of analog gravity. When a fluid flows faster than the speed of sound, a sound wave traveling against that current becomes trapped. The fluid is moving backward faster than the wave can move forward. Expanding this view, the trapped wave aligns with a photon of light stuck at a gravitational event horizon. The boundary in the water prevents the wave from escaping, replicating the exact mechanics of a black hole capturing light. This perfect functional overlap suggests the universe functions as a literal fluid. Standard general relativity, represented by the equations on this chalkboard, maps the cosmos with incredible precision. However, this math holds up only until it reaches the absolute center of a black hole. At that specific center, current mathematical models produce a singularity. The equations insist that an entire star's mass is compressed into a zero-dimensional point of infinite density. Infinity signals a total breakdown in mathematics. The presence of infinite density means our standard models have reached their physical limit and require a new structural framework. Superfluid vacuum theory offers a mechanical alternative. In this framework, space is a highly pressurized, hyperdense fluid medium that fills the entire cosmos. In a pressurized medium, gravity emerges as a total inward push. The vacuum constantly seeks equilibrium, forcing everything toward areas of lower pressure. We see how objects interact with dense fluids through cavitation. When an object moves quickly through water, rapid pressure drops tear the fluid apart, creating temporary pockets of empty space, or vacuum bubbles. Deliberate. Within this liquid framework, a black hole functions as a cosmic cavitation bubble, a structural void maintained by extreme pressure drops in the superfluid vacuum. This creates a completely new mechanical challenge. The cosmic ocean exerts immense crushing pressure, meaning a simple void in space should instantly collapse. This diagram outlines the 13-sphere lattice, known as vector equilibrium. It is the exact geometric arrangement required to achieve perfect topological pressure distribution, with 12 spheres evenly balancing a central core. Looking at the center, the spheres map equalized pressure points that keep the void from being crushed by the surrounding vacuum. The geometric seams between these pressure points act as microscopic vents. Under extreme stress, the vacuum fluid bleeds through these gaps, creating the thermal exhaust we detect as Hawking radiation. The 13-sphere model replaces impossible math with a functional fluid equilibrium. This perspective redefines other cosmic mysteries. Dark matter represents the inherent viscosity of the universal ocean. Galaxies stay together because they are whirlpools churning through a thick, pressurized medium. Reviewing this section on string theory, we find a new definition for fundamental strings. They are cavitation wakes, the bubble trails left behind as energy tunnels through the high-viscosity vacuum. Daily life feels solid and empty, yet the math indicates we are fully immersed in a pressurized liquid. We are surfing the currents of a structured cosmic ocean. Understanding this requires a total shift in how we observe the universe.